Thank you for looking at this item. You are bidding on a 1988 limited edition Disneyland poster thanking Mickey for 60 happy years from Disneyland. This poster is out of print for over 20 years and shows every single incarnation of Mickey Mouse in all of his feature films, from Steamboat Willie through Fantasia and Silly Symphonies. They're all here. This poster is available nowhere else that we have determined on the secondary market currently, nor are we able to find copies on the web. So we are calling this poster extremely rare. The poster measures 19 by 22 and will be shipped unframed in a cardboard mailing tube with tissue paper and insurance. The poster features a very important imprint, a stamp from Disneyland in 1988 commemorating Mickey's 60 years. Thank you very much. Please feel free to ask any questions that you may have concerning this poster, and happy bidding on the 1988 limited edition, very rare poster celebrating Mickey Mouse 60 years.